Hi all, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. Today's session deals with the topic cardinal vowels. Cardinal vowels are specially selected vowel sounds which can conveniently be used as points of reference from which other vowels can be measured. So, we can say that these cardinal vowels are a set of reference vowels. They are used as a kind of fixed scale or measure with which other vowels can be compared. They do not belong to any particular language and have been chosen arbitrarily to represent certain well-defined tongue positions. These selected vowels, which are not found in any language and are used only as points of reference, are known as cardinal vowels. They are 8 in number and are used as yardsticks to locate vowels of various languages. For example, if one knows the positions of cardinal vowels number 2 and 3, one can understand the positions of a sound halfway between these two, or of a vowel a third of the distance from number 2 and 3, and so on. The system of cardinal vowels was devised by Daniel Johns. The diagram indicates the tongue positions of the 8 cardinal vowels. Cardinal vowel number 1 is produced with the greatest degree of closeness and the greatest degree of friendness. If the tongue is raised any higher or any further forward from this position, a frictional noise will result and the sound produced will not be a vowel but a consonant. Cardinal vowel number 5 is produced with the greatest degree of openness and the greatest degree of backwardness. The tongue cannot be lowered further nor retracted further without producing a frictional noise, in which case the sound produced will be a consonant. Cardinal vowel number 4 is articulated with the front of the tongue as low as possible, that is, as far away from the roof of the mouth as possible. Number 8 is uttered with the closest and backest vowel position. Number 2 and 3 are at equal distance from number 1 and 4. These 4, that is, cardinal vowels number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are vowels of the front series. Similarly, number 6 and 7 are at equal distance from number 5 and 8. These 4 are of the back series. Again, cardinal vowels 1 to 5 are unrounded, articulated with various degrees of lip spreading. Here is the list of the cardinal vowels with 3 term labels and with their phonetic symbols. The 3 terms indicate the position of the lips, the part of the tongue raised, and the height to which the tongue is raised. So, that's about cardinal vowels. Remember, cardinal vowels are not actual vowels existing in any particular language. They are just reference points which may be used as a yardstick to describe the actual vowels in a language. Here is the question for you. Please do answer the question. Thank you so much for paying attention.